Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is install an improved add-on. Google Workspace add-ons are customized applications that extend the Google Workspace applications. Add-ons can help automate tasks or make third-party services or information available in Google Workspace. With add-ons, you can do the following. Create customized user interfaces that are directly integrated into Google Workspace applications. Boost workflow efficiency by automating and streamlining tasks. And control and move data between Google applications. Let's look at how to install a Google add-on. Open Google Chrome and go to https://workspace.google.com/marketplace/category/approved for you. This will bring up all the approved apps that you can use from your organization. The apps that you see on my screen are for the state of West Virginia and the West Virginia Office of Technology. In this demonstration, I will install DocTools. Scroll down the list of approved add-ons and click on DocTools. On the DocTools page, to the right of the title, click Install. A pop-up may appear for you to choose the account to install it on. Click on your account. On the next page, click Continue to finish signing into your account. On the next screen, you will see a list of items that the add-on will control. If you agree, click Allow or Cancel to stop the install. The next pop-up will show you where to find the add-on. Click Done at the bottom of this pop-up. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.